I need to enter resources for a crew of 3 workers who worked on a group of both water hydrants and water valves today. For each task, I need to track the hours for each worker and the usage of the truck. Since each asset is associated to its own task, I will select the tasks from the timesheets list here. And as you can see, all 4 of the tasks have a common date range, so I can use distribute resources. Distribute resources allows me to quickly add labor, equipment, material, and other resources to multiple tasks. The distribute resources screen is similar to resource entry, however, it is only used for data entry. So we'll go ahead and get started. For my labor, I'll select Add Assignments, which I can do at Enter Resources as well. And it will add any labor records that are assigned to these tasks. I will then supply the number of hours that were worked for the total tasks. So Aspen and Melissa each worked 6 hours, and Taylor worked 8 hours. So over in the right-hand column here, we can see that the hours per task will be distributed. So 1.5 hours will be added to each individual task for Aspen and Melissa, and 2 hours will be added for Taylor. For my equipment, I know that a truck was used for these tasks to go out to each of the task locations, so I can add in the truck that I know was used. Then I will add in the usage of the truck, which was 2 hours. And again, this is the total hours for the 4 tasks, so that will be distributed as 0.5 hours for each task. So I've entered in all of my resources for the tasks today, and I will click Save. You'll notice that at this point, all of the data I entered has cleared out, so I can distribute more resources if necessary, but at this point I'm done, so I will go back to my task list view. Now at this point, I can check each individual task's enter resources to see how they were distributed. You'll see that all 3 labor records received the distributed amount of hours along with the usage of equipment. Again, back in my task list, I can even open up the individual tasks, and you will notice that the resources were added to the distributed resources to each of the tasks.